Did you change your Wi-Fi router, and now your Eufy cameras are offline? Or maybe you changed your Wi-Fi password, and suddenly your HomeBase won't connect. Don't worry. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to change the Wi-Fi network on your Eufy HomeBase without resetting your entire system. And yes, your cameras and recordings stay safe. Let's fix it. When do you need to change Wi-Fi? There are a few common situations where you need to update Wi-Fi on your Eufy HomeBase. You changed your router. You updated your Wi-Fi password. You switched internet providers. Your cameras show offline. The good news? Your Eufy system stores all camera connections through the HomeBase, so you only need to reconnect the HomeBase, not every camera. This works for both Eufy HomeBase 2, and Eufy HomeBase 3. What do you need before starting? Before changing Wi-Fi, make sure you have 3 things ready. Your new Wi-Fi name and password. Your smartphone with the Eufy Security app installed. Your HomeBase powered on. If your HomeBase is currently offline, you may need to temporarily connect it using an Ethernet cable to the router. This makes reconnecting much faster.
HomeBase is switching to Ethernet mode.
Step by step, change Wi-Fi on Eufy HomeBase. Now let's change the Wi-Fi network. Open the Eufy Security app on your phone. Because the HomeBase is connected directly to the internet router, all connected devices are showing online status. Ignore the offline camera, as it is not being used. Tap on your HomeBase device. Select General from the list. The current internet connection is now showing as Ethernet. Tap on the connection. Although the current active connection is via Ethernet, the old Wi-Fi configuration is still there. Tap on Wi-Fi Setup. The HomeBase supports 2.4G Wi-Fi connection only, and you should be able to select and connect from this list. However, my router's connection does not appear here for selection. In this case, tap Other Network and type the Wi-Fi name and password manually. Then tap Next to connect. Once Wi-Fi is connected, you can now unplug the Ethernet cable. You can now move the HomeBase and power adapter to the desired location.
HomeBase is switching to Wi-Fi repeater mode. HomeBase has connected to Wi-Fi successfully.
Confirm everything works. Once connected, the HomeBase LED should turn solid blue. Open your camera feed inside the Eufy Security app to confirm everything is working. If the camera loads normally, congratulations. Your Eufy system is now connected to the new Wi-Fi network. What if it doesn't connect? If your HomeBase doesn't connect, here are 3 quick fixes. Fix number 1. Move the HomeBase closer to the router. Fix number 2. Restart both the router and the HomeBase. Fix number 3. Use a temporary Ethernet cable connection, then repeat the Wi-Fi setup process. In most cases, one of these fixes solves the problem instantly. Pro tips most users don't know. Here are a few tips that make your Eufy system more stable. Tip 1. Use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi if possible. Many smart home devices connect more reliably. Tip 2. Keep the HomeBase in a central location inside your home. Tip 3. Avoid placing the HomeBase behind metal cabinets or thick walls. This helps maintain the best signal to your cameras. If this video helped you fix your Eufy HomeBase connection, consider subscribing for more smart home tips, tech fixes, and quick tutorials like this. Now let's quickly recap the steps. Quick recap. To change Wi-Fi on your Eufy HomeBase, open the Eufy Security app. Tap your HomeBase. Go to General, tap Connection. Select Wi-Fi Setup. Enter the new Wi-Fi password. And that's it. Your Eufy cameras should now be back online. That's all for this guide, and I hope this video has been useful for you. On TechTube TV, I make easy-to-understand videos on technology-related topics. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.